tutorial I'll show how to use RASA for chatbots and automating your services or product page, so that you don't need a human resource for that. If somebody ping you at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning when you are sleeping in the midnight, your bot should be able to reply. Okay, so in that way, your business is live 24/7. You don't need to hire a person for that. So that is why we use chatbot, and these days chatbots are built on natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. So we are using RASA in this. So we have built the RASA chatbot. This is the link. So with my mistake, this is our company link. From here we can clone this. So I'll clone this in my system. This is link working directory and hit clone. Okay. Let's remove this. So now cloning into that. So cloning is done. We'll just change the directory to such chatbot. Readme. Build it as install Telegram. And we'll just see a simple example in this. So we'll just we have just built a Corona bot, which will send the Corona status. So in the readme file we can see we've installed RASA, and then RASA run action from one terminal, from other terminal RASA cell. So readme same directory. So in this terminal we'll run RASA run actions. We'll just change the directory. RASA run actions. So it will register the action. And actions are, we'll just do a simple walkthrough. Actions are registered in the Python action.py file, and for all your message, it will finally it will execute the action, and it can execute API to get the result. It can execute API. For web scraping, it can execute API to fetch the data from DB. It can do anything which you want, because it's a Python program, and you can do run train your model. Whatever changes we are making in meta.mlu, nothing change. So this is your model. This is stored in models directly. Models. When you do some changes in any of the file, change, so this getting trained. if you add new training or new messages, new utterances, what user will see when it will train according to that. So before running RASA shell, run this RASA train. The model will be stored in the system. When it finishes running, so in another terminal RASA actions are running, and in one terminal this is both are in the same direction. Lot of things can be achieved using Python program. Then we have to run RASA shell as from readme.md file. From one terminal I have run RASA run action, in another terminal I have run RASA shell, and all this is happening in this Corona plot directory. Starting RASA on HTTP localhost 5005. Okay, so my input. Hi there, I'm Corona. I give updates about the current COVID-19 situation. Is there anything you'd like to know? Send status of Haryana. Okay, so currently 328 active cases. There are currently 970 confirmed cases. There are currently 14 reports of death. There are 628 recovered cases. Okay. I'll say send the status of Bihar. 1022 active cases. There are currently 1579 confirmed cases. There are currently 9 reports of death. 548 recovered. Send status of India. Okay, so in India data is, we have not trained the data for this. Thanks. So you are welcome. Stay safe. Okay. So COVID data for, let's see the COVID data for Haryana. State-wise. (964) is the total number of cases and 627. So confirmed cases and active cases 628, recovered cases. So we are almost close. I think second column is recovered cases. Okay, yeah, discharge and total confirmed, first column. So total confirmed, let's match total confirmed 970. Okay, so our data is matching, and whatever will feed, so finally one action is get executed. So I'll just do a walkthrough. AI the chatbot, then cd Corona bot, and in this directory we have data. We have directory called data. If I'll open PyCharm, then it will be better. Okay. Yes, a custom chat. Okay. So we can see more number of input. Hi, number of send status of Bihar. Okay. Then you can say thanks. You're welcome. Stay safe. Bye. You are welcome. Stay safe. Okay. Okay, so this is the structure of the project. So then in the same directory you will find actions.py, config.yml. We'll see it deep in next video. Credentials. So in this, if you are running on particular port, and then if you are integrating it to Facebook and other chatbot platforms, then you can give your keys and page access token. Domain.yml, where your utterances are mapped to the actions, basically data. So basically it will start from an lu.md file. So this is in data directory. You can clearly see the structure. So intent, hey, hello, this is mapped to greet. Okay, and then this will be present in a story. So when there is a greet, what to do? So this is called utter actions. So when this is matched, when you say hello, it is matched to intent greet. Intent is nothing but what user want to say. If user want to say something, hey there, or hi, good morning, it is coming under. So it's kind of a category. So greet. Okay, so greet is again mapped to utter greet. So we'll see what utter greet says. Okay, so what utter greet? What is there inside utter greet? Okay, utter greet. Okay, so we'll finally see into domain.yml file. Utter greet. Okay, so when user says hi, good morning, anything, so it will be mapped to utter greet, and then bot will reply with this. Again, we are mapping some actions like this. An utter help, utter thanks, what is COVID. Then I said send a status of Bihar. So let's search. Okay, updates on Bihar. So this is how different messages. So when I say updates on Bihar, so Bihar is a state, so it is categorized in a state. So I'll say updates of Bihar. Okay, so I'm getting the data because it is mapped to the interstate. So let's see what is there inside interstate. Okay, then finally go to domain. The intent is interstate. So we'll see in storage.md what is there for interstate. So the flow is nlu.md, then storage.md, and then finally it will go to domain.yml. So for interstate, so status form will be executed. This is kind of related to actions. Interstate. So form is status form. This will be found in actions.py file. Okay. So let's check actions.py file. So you can see here interstate. So status form was executed when we entered. So finally it started from interstate, and then in a storage.md interstate. So we have to see which form is executed. So status form, and then action get active cases of India. If it is India, if somebody is saying India, then action get. So this, so we asked for Bihar. So let's search for action get active cases of India. Okay, action case, and then okay, so this action will be actions.py file. Okay, so this is the action total last update. So we are calling a API here. Output the number of active output. This data was last updated. This is for India. For state, let's check. There are current. So this is for state. We have seen this template is for state. So let's see what is the form which is executed here. The district is also there. Okay, this is district status form. Let's see where is a state status form. Okay, so this is state. So we were executing a state status form only. So this is a state status form. So this will be related to any of the, see, this is the state status form, actions form. So this form is activated when? So let's check. This form is activated when? When enter state, when the intent is interstate. Okay, so again check in the beginning. This is the first file, interstate. What is the interstate? So when we told updates on Delhi or updates on Bihar, something like that, updates on Delhi. Let's check again, updates on Delhi. Okay, so we are getting this updates on Delhi. It is mapped to interstate. Okay, so interstate, again check in the storage how it is related, interstate, and then which form is executed, state status form, and then finally it will be there in the forms. Either we are executing action or we are executing forms in the actions.py. So you can see here, this class is for state status form. So this is the main computation done here. Okay. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I will be making more videos on RASA chatbot and also using the GUI part, and also hope you enjoyed that. Also you can clone the code, you can contribute, you can comment, you can raise issues, whatever you want. Thanks.